Seventh question. If the axes are rotated through an angle through rotated anti-clockwise direction through an angle 90 degrees, then the equation x square is equal to 4ay is changes as. So that means anti-clockwise direction means theta is positive. Positive direction is called anti-clockwise direction. If clockwise direction, it is negative. So here theta is equal to 90 degrees. Then the transformed point small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus y sin theta. So theta is 90 degrees, cos 90 is 0. So it is minus y. Sin 90 is 1, so minus y. Small x is equal to minus y. And small y is equal to, this is x sin theta plus y cos theta. That is equal to x into sin 90 is 1 plus y into cos 90 is 0. So small x is equal to small x comma small y is equal to minus capital Y comma capital X. Now the transformed equation of x square is equal to 4ay is small x means capital Y minus y whole square is equal to 4a into small y means capital X. So capital Y square is equal to 4ax, which is a required transformed equation. Now question number 39. Let A 2, 0, B 6, 4 be 2 points. If A, B, if AB is rotated about A through 45 degrees in negative direction, then the coordinates of B after rotation. Negative direction means anti-clockwise direction. We take it as coordinate axis. This is origin. A is a point 2, 0 that lies on x-axis, and another point B is 6, 4. This is a point. Then first of all we find the angle made by the line AB with x-axis, that is 4 minus 0. Slope of AB is equal to 4 minus 0 by 6 minus 2 is equal to 1. That implies theta is equal to 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Then after some time the B moves in an angle 45 degrees. Then it is a transformed point. Now the line AB is parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means the line is parallel to x-axis. That means this is x is equal to 2. So the point, in the point x coordinate is always 2. Then we want to find y coordinate. Here from the answer, either this or this is the answer. So the distance between the points AB is square root of 16 plus 4 square, 16 plus 16, that means 32, 4 root 2, that is. So that's why distance is also equals to 2 plus 4 root 2 comma 0. Just we consider like this. Negative direction means if it is 45 degrees, and then it is negative direction means, slope of the line AB is 45, we find this one, and distance between the 2 points is 4 root 2. The line makes an angle theta 45 degrees in negative direction. Negative direction means clockwise direction. So that's why the point moves in clockwise direction and reaches the x-axis, because it is in 45 degrees. It is also 45 degrees. So the point B lies on the x-axis. On x-axis y is always 0 and x. How to find x? That means distance between AB is also 4 root 2. Distance is unaltered. So that's why from verification A is 2 comma 0 and the first one is E dash is 2 plus 4 root 2 comma